NordVPN is becoming more than just a VPN. Threat protection will guard your device against malicious websites, malware, trackers, and intrusive ads, even if you're not connected to a VPN server at the time. Step up your cybersecurity and stay safe.
Got crypto? Got a hardware wallet to keep your crypto safe? Then you have to have one of these to keep your seed phrase safe. The Keystone tablet is fireproof, waterproof. You can use it to store 12-word, 18-word, 15-word, 24-word seed phrases. It comes with a full set of letters and everything you need to make sure that your seed phrase never gets destroyed or disappeared. Get one, get two, get three, have multiple copies. Use my affiliate link in the description below.
Using Wi-Fi without NordVPN could mean sharing your private stuff with more people than you think. NordVPN. Online security starts with a click.
So I'm going to explain the Bitcoin 4-year cycles to you. So Bitcoin has a predictable pattern and it's designed to replicate the built-in scarcity with gold and silver and also other metals. When the Europeans first arrived in North America, they would find copper nuggets the size of cars just sitting on the ground. Native Americans had no use for copper. So what did the Europeans do? They used up the copper that was easily available, that was on the ground. Then they had to dig a meter. Then they had to dig 10 meters. Then they had to dig 100 meters. And so it is with gold. You know, when they've used up the easily available gold, you go deeper and deeper and deeper and deeper. And there are mines in South Africa that are 2 miles deep. And they go through hundreds of tons of gold, of rock to get an ounce of gold, because you've used up the easily available gold. So there's built-in scarcity. So with Bitcoin, there's built-in scarcity. Bitcoin was launched in January 2009. Every 10 minutes, 50 Bitcoin were created, every 10 minutes. And that went on till sometime in April 2012 when there was the first halving, which meant the amount of new Bitcoin went from 50 every 10 minutes to 25 every 10 minutes. By the way, that cannot be changed. That code cannot be changed. There isn't enough computing power in the world to change that code. So, and then in 2016, there was another halving. In 11th of July 2016, that it went from 25 Bitcoin every 10 minutes to 12.5 Bitcoin every 10 minutes. And in June 2020 to 6.25 every 10 minutes. And then April 24, around about 19th of April, not the 15th, it's going to go down to 3 1/8 Bitcoin every 10 minutes for the next 4 years. So there's this built-in scarcity. At the same time, you've got increasing awareness and increasing demand and increasing devaluation of fiat currencies because the governments are just printing more and more and more and more and more and more and more. So you have a rise in price of Bitcoin because of the increasing demand set against the diminishing supply. So what you have is all-time highs that happen usually about 1.5 years after the halving. So July 2016, what was Bitcoin then? It's probably some silly number. Let's have a look. Hold on a second. Yeah, in July 2016, one Bitcoin, the highest it reached was $682. And the all-time high straight after, which was in December 2017, about 1.5 years later, was just under $20,000. And then it goes down for a year as people cash out, get bored, get resigned. Then there was a halving in June 2020. And then in November 2021, about 1.5 years later, it goes up to $69,000. And now we have a halving around about 19th of April. Might vary by 1 or 2 days. And in anticipation of the halving, so people knew that the halving was going to happen, so they start buying into it. And the price goes up. And then people keep buying. Now, what we have now are agencies with big pockets buying into Bitcoin. BlackRock, Vanguard, not Vanguard, BlackRock, plus other big agencies. Right now, I think about 900 Bitcoin are being produced every single day. Every single day, about 900 Bitcoin are being bought up by these large players. And then April, it's going to go down to about 450 Bitcoin are going to be produced every day. So this gives a certain predictability to Bitcoin. Increasing demand, increasing awareness, increasing devaluation of fiat currencies set against ever decreasing supply. Any questions about that? So what I've been saying to my friends and family, especially my wonderful cousins who work in banking, buy some and forget about it. No, Rich, it's gone down to $3,000. It's all going to crash. No, buy some more. No. Buy some more. The most successful strategy, the simplest, maybe not most successful, simplest, easiest strategy is what's known as dollar cost averaging. You buy a little bit on a regular basis. Maybe buy a whole load now so you're in, but then you buy, I don't know, $100 worth every day or every week or every month, regardless of the price. And you do that. This is a long-term thing. Now, passive income, that conversation is a whole other conversation.